That's the corona decimated. Also named after those bushmen or those people that yeah. So a very interesting flower that's come through. It's actually the first one that I've seen after the dry season or after the rain has come through. So it's nice to see that everything is coming up and being lively and fresh as it is. So yeah, I'm very interested. Let the rains come. So I'm going to leave you with that thought and taking you over to another property in Africa. Very beautiful. One day maybe we'll visit Kuru also. But I'm still here with this predator, the lion and lionesses. They have spotted some bacon. I mean warthogs. A good number of them in the direction I'm facing. The only hindrance is there is a few toppies, one very high up on a mound. It's quite far away and it can see them, and others are scattered in the plains